beautiful people, my lovely people. Welcome to Promise World. Greetings to all of you wherever you are. This matter when I want to talk today is not be small matter. This matter so if una see this video, una go hold una head because the matter not be small. This video so this man so he scatter full restaurants because of his ex. Because of the so now go scatter full restaurant. The information when I get be say the man he go get the ex for the work. The bouncer not be make it enter go see ex. Now because of the scatter everywhere, scatter full restaurant, use the motor to take jam everywhere. Because this thing when it happen so na South Africa na it for happen the information because the bouncer not let am enter restaurants. Go see the girl, now it's how they scatter everywhere. Use motor to scatter supermarket, use motor to hit everywhere. And people even say me they go rescue her, he no gree because they use something they stone them because of S matter. Me because they want that you know say this S you see love her. Why you gonna be S am? Una separate. Why you won't go see your S when don't be say una don't leave each other? And maybe na the reason why the girl who leave this man so because na woman beater. The man dey violent. Because you know say because the bouncer no let you see your head wait for the work. You can't use for the scatter everywhere. Abeg those na whenever see the video, wanna watch, wanna see wetin I dey the gbege when I dey talk about because of head.
See, I told you so. I told you. So. I knew he's going to go in again. He's going in again. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Shit! Oh my God! Yeah, and he's going again. Oh my God! Oh my God! Woo! Oh my God! Oh, ooh, this guy is going to get killed. This guy is going to get killed. Oh my!
When I see the video, so when I see get the man for the scatter everywhere because of S matter oh. S oh, this not be girlfriend, not be wife. S, my ex. You know say even una live una ex na go let una live. If una not fit live una ex, if una not fit live una girlfriend, una not live am o. Because I make this kind thing not happen to una. If I know say una love una girlfriend, una wife, anyone, una not make am ex o. Because una make am this kind thing won't happen to this one, then go happen to una. Because if you love woman, keep am. Anything the woman want, they bear am with am. See, you know say you still love am. No be later you can't go dey fight for your ex. Bouncer. Police go arrest you or bouncer will still bounce you and the woman for the work. Because na South Africa na this matter for happen so. We'll go to the next. Anything wanna reason for this matter, wanna leave am for the comment section. We'll go to the next news. This matter so na about Davido singer. Davido no wan make the daughter twerk. This one na person wey be say people guests, people children they twerk for music oh. They rub they rub all of the nyash up and down everywhere. If pikin that want twerk so twerk na he say no he not be make it twerk for your birthday day for US na US not go happen na go knack am small not twerk for them not let them see am but you na forget say wetin you do to other person go still do am to you o na thank God say na girl na it born na wetin papa do na he dey learn so because if they worship papa music wey for the rub girl they got the old girl people children too dey people daughters dey twerk for na too. Na him total say wọ́n see 12 for people too. Na papa say make not 12 for you. You see how mate dey jealous. See the jealous one they talk about. You do people person daughter. You know when person do your own. So anything una reason for this day you don't matter him daughter. Mona leave am for the comment section. We'll go to the next news. This matter so this Coco G's when I been never Gino Poe. They say na husband when they try. Na his wife celebrate. This Gino Poe so he wear buy 1 million PS for his birthday day. You know say na is it love? Love is working everywhere. 1 million. You see why someone at the treat in a wife, right? if una treat una wife right, wife go dey celebrate una every day. If you treat your if you treat a woman well, that woman so if you use her last card take do something for you, if you give you her last card, una dey treat una wife well. Una wetin get girlfriend, una dey treat una girlfriend, una dey remember say na person pikin na be that. So that wetin dey do, wetin you do to person, man, that person no still do am to your own daughter because you no go like am. Treat your wife. If you know say wife don tire you, tell woman say abeg e don tire me, go, I go make you go yo. Instead of una go dey treat the woman anyhow. See nothing Junior Pope na, e the way dey treat the wife, where you buy wife buy am PS 1 million for am for your birthday day. So see the mona watch video, mona see wetin I dey talk about. Anyone are ready for the matter, mona leave am for the comment section. Treat your wife well o.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Which kind wine is this? Happy birthday. Which kind wine is this? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Which kind wine is this? How much is this? How much is this? 1 million.
This cocoa gist to na about Atokevibu. You don't tell us Mona start to dey share bad news. Say he no like bad news. So those when I watch the video, Mona watch the video for the talker.
Yeah, some people just come this world to give person bad news. Their occupation are giving bad news. Now they know who die, now they know who go die, now they know the house we born, now just bad news that they about. And this kind of people, if not they get them from their contact, this kind of people, they're not gonna be regular callers. If it be person don't call you 2 years ago, a year ago, or 7 months ago, and anytime this kind of people call, and those kind of people will say if you see their call like this, you go look and say, why this person they call me? Why this person they call me? Because most times those such callers, they be bad news people now that they bring come. Person just call me now. Tell me say my childhood friend die. When he call enter, I feel look and say, this one with me and this guy never talk for over a year. I also know be bad news. And as I pick out the first thing, you tell me say, this guy don't die yo. Some people don't even sabi give bad news. Some people just go straight to the point. This person don't die yo. This one don't happen no. This one don't get accident. Sabi give bad news at all. Bad news supposed to be with style, Some people go just bring the bad news, don't knock and straight. They don't even know whether the person they give the bad news get high blood pressure, whether the person when they collect the bad news even die for the other side.
Na for talk, I say Mona for dey share bad news. He say one of his friend just call am for say his friend don die, and if they wan share the bad, they no go do am with style. They just knack and give them go. And these people when they share this bad news, so 1 year, 2 years, no go call you. If they even see your picture, they no go feel like am. If they see your picture, no go, if you no go feel share am, and they go say no like am. Mona say they share bad news, they give am. So now wetin I say me I got for this matter. This one I read for this matter. Mona leave am for the comment section. We'll go to the next. This matter so. He weak me. I never see this kind of thing once. This boy big so he raped 6 years old pikin. 6 years old though, and you won't come outside come dey talk say they take am as a sister. People when take you as sister, you go rape pikin. Your sister you rape that one. As you just big so. As you just mature so, you say you don't know wetin una go do the thing finish, say una no know wetin come over una. But when they do and the demon for una village at the same people be say you open eye and say the people take you as your sister, they take you as your sister, they take you as your brother. You go rape their old pikin, 6 years old pikin, defile am for no reason. See you don't know wetin enter you. So okay, want me dey pity for you now, let me no put you for prison now. Let me if you wan talk that word now. These Nigeria people, all of them are just problem of their government go do their own, the youth go do their own. I don't understand them. Not only go no go save people for this country Nigeria, my people. Imagine this big boy say he no know when he take do am, he no know wetin enter am, and the people dey take me as their brother. I don't know what came over me. They take me as their brother. They take care of me. They do this one. They do that one. You go raise small pikin of 6 years old. You come here, they give useless excuse. Those of you never see the video, mona look the video, mona leave una comment for the comment section. Anything wanna think about am, mona leave for the comment section.
I said that I have a sex with a girl of 6 years. That's the reason why they brought me in here.
Why did you do it?
I didn't know what came over me because I've been going to their house to visit their mom and their father every day. They take me as their brother and I take them like as my sister and my brother. So I don't know what came over me. I traveled and I came back on Sunday. I came back, so they told me that the wife came and looked for me, that she has been a long time, that she has not been seeing me. I said, okay, when I come back from work, that we'll go search on her. So after coming back from work, on Sunday 25th, so now went there to check on the mother. So when I went there to check the mother, so I only saw the children outside, and now all the children, they embrace me, they greet me. I tell them, okay, where's your mom? They said that my mom, she's not around. I said, okay, maybe I asked them, will she come back fast? They say yes. So now I'm carried her outside. I sit down outside with them. I was playing with them. I was playing with all of them there outside. Even that and nobody was in me. I was playing with them. So I saw the little what came over me. And now I have sex with that girl.
How long have you been sleeping with her?
No, that's the first time.
Okay, so mona subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching me. Stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.